daily by email schedule. Now first time we will set daily schedule at 11 a.m. You will set daily schedule time as per whatever you needed. Now I find I have a report already developed which I have to publish and subscribe SSRS report, subscribe, then send to email daily automatically. This is a pending report which I have already developed. Now I am opening this on our Microsoft Report Builder. It is already opened. Now I have do some changes whatever if I need it, like this is a built-in fields, there is a data source which I have connected and where the data is come from, and this is a data set which is my report query. I open this and check is it all right or wrong. It asks me some credentials for safety purpose, for security. I copy this query and paste it SQL Management Studio. Now check there everything is okay and error free. Yes, there is no error top to bottom. Now move to a SSRS report, run it and check what the result is come from when this report run. Okay, and now okay, run it. Okay, this report is run successfully locally. It is currently it is not published on any report server. You have seen the result of report and the data. Okay, now the second step, we move to report server, goes to report server and open report which we want to publish and subscribe. This is a report I want to subscribe daily by email. Now I will go to manage option. There is some little info needed like name, description, etc. If I have done any changes in the report, then I will it's need to replace this report, but I never do any changes in the report. Now I will go to subscription. There is already a subscribe session done, and now I am going to edit this subscription by shared schedule. There are many schedule open. Now I go to what schedule I want to need it. So I open next tab. So identify what subscription I need it. There is daily schedule which are shown at this option. Check this 1 2 3 4 5 6 daily schedule already done. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the menu or option or feature where you make daily schedule and link to any report. Now I will go check this schedule, and there I will move them. Now I am just checking what schedule is feasible for which type of report. This is the third last, which is expired. Let's check this one. What schedule show the history? I want to check what are the reports is linking it this schedule, but it will not. I can't able to show these things. Let give me some time. Now I selected this hourly at working hours. It is currently expired. Now I am enable this and go edit option. I will do it a day. Repeat after this of days 1 and start timing at 11 a.m. It will repeat once a day beginning at 28 January. It's not specific right now, or I will pause it and apply changes. Now I move to daily report subscription and select hourly at working hours schedule. Email to I already selected the email which I have sent. I copy this and this is auto generate. This comment box or option is email message body. So I do some specific words. Browse and stop miscellaneous. Try. Please, there's no yes, I coded the email body, that is comment sec option. This is a system generated email. Please don't reply to this email. Okay, now apply save changes. It will now again check is everything all right. Yeah, save changes done. Now in this session you have learned that how to subscribe any SSRS report and where will you settle or edit any schedule which are linked to any report. In the next video session we will learn how to make SSRS report or develop any SSRS report or any of features of SSRS server or reports. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for updated videos and learning sessions. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and appreciate our work.